students, now we will start our Euclid's division algorithm. So what is algorithm? First of all, what is you have to know what is algorithm. Algorithm is basically based on series of steps to solve a particular problem. Means algorithm is basically based on series of steps to solve a particular problem. मतलब मीन्स किसी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के स्टेप्स को स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस को वी विल कॉल एल्गोरिथम. Okay, so in the previous class we studied about lemma, then Euclid's division lemma, then why we use what is the lemma, the proven statement to solve another, which is used to solve other statements or problems. Okay, now we move towards Euclid's division algorithm. Again, algorithm is basically based on a series of steps to solve a particular problem. मीन्स किसी प्रॉब्लम को स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्व करने के प्रोसेस को हम एल्गोरिथम बोलते हैं. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम. अब यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम क्या है? टू फाइंड व्हाई वी यूज यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम. बाय दिस वी विल फाइंड द एचसीएफ ऑफ टू नंबर्स. टू फाइंड एचसीएफ ऑफ टू नंबर्स, you can say, sir, we know how to find the HCF. Then what is the need of this है ना? Means you know how to find the HCF, but you can say, sir, what is the need of this Euclid's division algorithm? So basically, when we got bigger numbers, when we have to find the HCF or two bigger numbers, then we will use Euclid's division algorithm. Okay. That is step by step process. Yesterday, in the previous lecture, I told you that Euclid's division lemma. According to Euclid's division lemma, what we have, A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is greater than equal to 0 and less than B. Got it? This by this lemma we solve. We use this lemma. We have to use in division algorithm. Clear? Okay. Suppose you have to find the HCF of 75 and 45. Suppose you have to find the HCF of 75 and 45. So 75, we have to find its prime factors. Prime factors, you know, 75, 3, 25, 5, 5, 5, 5. That is 3 into 5 into 5. Clear? Now 45. What are the prime factors of 45? That is 3 into 3 into 5. How? 45. That is 3, 15, 3, 5, then 5 1. So 75 can be written as 3 into 3 into 5 and 45 is written as 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. Now we can write it as 3 into 5 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2 into 5. So how we find the HCF? HCF is the product of lowest terms, lowest common factors. Okay, so HCF is the product of lowest common factors. Lowest common factors. Okay, lowest common factors involve in the numbers. So HCF is the product of lowest common factors involved in the numbers. So here HCF is 3. Here common factor 3, and the lowest term of 3 is it is power 1, 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2. It is lowest power, it is 1, 3 to the power 1. And here 5 is also common factor. And the lowest term of 5 is 5 to the power 1, that is 5. It is equal to 15. So HCF of 75 and 45 is equal to 15. It is, we know. This method we know. But if we had the question is find the HCF of 2, 3, 7, 5, 9 and 5, 8, 3, 4. How we do? It will take time. So to reduce time, we have to adopt this Euclid's division algorithm. By this, we will find the HCF very easily. Okay. Now. Suppose the question is find now our question is find the HCF of 455 and 42 by Euclid's division algorithm. Okay. We are taking very small number 455 and 42. We have to find the HCF of 455 and 42. What is this HCF? HCF is the product of lowest common factors involved in the numbers. Clear? So here 455 is greater than 42. So how we write? Wait, 455, we divide 455 by 42. At first step is divide 42 1 to 42, 3 and 5, 10. That means 455 can be written as 42 into 10 plus 35. Got it? 455 is equal to 42 into 10 plus 35. Therefore, or here it is A, it is B, it is Q and it is R. You know, according to Euclid's division lemma. According to Euclid's division lemma, A is equal to DQ plus R. You know it? According to Euclid's division lemma, Euclid's division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R. Clear? So here at place of A, what we write? 4. Therefore, by Euclid's division lemma, what we write? 455 is equal to 42 into 10 plus 35. Clear? 455 is equal to 42 plus into 10 plus 35. Got it? Now, if R is equal to 0, if the remainder is equal to 0, in this case, if the remainder is equal to 0, then the divisor will be the HCF. As the second method of HCF, division, long division method, you have did in class 6. Okay. What is, if the remainder is 0, then the divisor will be the HCF. Isn't it? Okay. So here remainder R, it is not equal to 0. That means this process will continue again. Same process will continue with the numbers. This is, suppose it is A, it is R, and in the HCF, in the long division process of to find HCF, what we did, we have divided first the bigger number by the smaller number. Then if the remainder is not equal to 0, that is remainder r is not equal to 0, then this process will continue. Okay, so in this case what will happen, this remainder will be the, in the next step, remainder will be the divisor and the divisor will become dividend. Okay, this dividend is here inside them. Now again we start process. That means here again we will have, it is A and it is B. Clear? Here again 42, in the previous step it was B, but in this step this B become divisor, that is A, dividend, that is A, and this remainder will become B, that is divisor. So that means we will write here 42 is equal to 35, ones are 35 and remaining 7. This is R, it is Q. That means 42 can be written as 35 into 1 plus 7. Got it? 35 into 1 plus 7. Again, remainder is not equal to 0. That means this process will again continue. Got my point? Again what we write? In the system, again this 35 in the system, this 35 was B. But in the next step, this 35 again becomes the dividend and the remainder of the previous step will become the divisor. So 7 5s are 35 and here remainder is 0. Here remainder is 0. That means what we said, remainder, if remainder is 0, then the divisor will be the HCF. Okay. So here again we write 35 is equal to 7 into 5 plus 0. So in this case, here this 7 will be the HCF. So therefore, HCF of 455 and 42 is equal to 7. Understand? We can write also or HCF of 35 and 42 also 7. 42 and 35 is equal to 7. Can we write? Or HCF of 35 and 7 is also 7. Got it? So at that we can write, so HCF of 455 42 is equal to HCF of 42 and 35 is equal to HCF of 35 and 7 is equal to 7. Clear? We will proceed to the next question.